Hi guys, it's David. I just want to talk today about a product that's blowing up in the fitness world when it comes to weight loss, health niche, and it's called Resurge. I'm a ClickBank affiliate marketer, and I promote different niches, one of them being health and fitness, right? So what I'm seeing is with Resurge, it helps people 30 plus. What happens is in life is our metabolism starts slowing down, and it's getting worse and worse because basically we're on our smartphones, we're on TV, we're on video games, we're just constantly watching content, and with these screens it's preventing us from getting something called deep sleep, which is a real problem because this is the natural state which helps us burn belly fat and fat in general and increase our metabolism and energy, right? So a lot of us are getting less sleep now, especially because of work or, sleepless nights and things like that. So what research helps you with is improving your deep sleep patterns so that you can kind of burn this energy off in your sleep, right? Better anyway. Now, I'm not gonna say that you can continue eating McDonald's and fast food and pizzas and all that stuff all the time. It's okay to have some once in a while, but you still want to change your living habits a little bit, right? But if a lot of us are putting on the extra 8 to 10 pounds from COVID and everything else lately because we're working from home on an office computer, or maybe we're even off work and we're not able to get to the gym or anything. I'm not saying that you don't have a reason, like a good reason, but a lot of us, including myself, went up a little bit because of COVID. So if you want to get back on track, this is an option for you. What I can tell you is my clients, my customers are liking it, loving it, and it has the lowest refund rate that I've seen on all the products that I've offered with the health and fitness niche. So if you're interested in it, I would say I got a video from the manufacturer, and they said basically that COVID has affected shipments. So just if you can get in, make sure that you get your product like earlier, so that because it's gonna take a while for it to actually ship and get to you because of COVID and all the areas of responsibility that they're taking on, because they want to make sure no one gets sick and they handle the products properly, things like that, right? So it will take a little longer, keep that in mind. So if you're willing to wait, then the number one selling product is Resurge for the weight loss industry. Hopefully it will work for you. It has worked for clients of mine, but there's no miracle pill in life, right? If you're gonna, not pay attention to your health and then just hopefully take the magic pill and that's it, look somewhere else. But if you're looking to add in addition to a healthy lifestyle and cut some weight and raise your energy levels and raise your metabolism, this is definitely gonna help. And it's like I said, it's the number one product with a very, very low refund rate, like under 5%, which is amazing for a product. So typically, if a product is garbage or not good, then the refund rate's much higher. All right. The manufacturer actually sent me a video saying that they're appreciate everyone's patience on the delayed shipments and things like that. But I would say if you are interested, get in. Make sure you get at least the 3 bottles so that you have some products available for the next 3 months. It's not going to be taking for a week and you see results right away. There's also a 6 bottle option that gives you the bonuses and everything. I would actually recommend that so that you have them on site so that you don't have to place another order for a long time. So the 6-month order, it costs a little bit more, but you get a reduced rate, a really, really great rate per bottle. Okay, so you're gonna be spending a little more, but you're gonna get 6 bottles so you don't have to reorder every single time. And with this product being so popular with the shipments, I don't know how long it's gonna be staying at this price right now, okay? So just keep that in mind, that there's no guarantee that this price is gonna stay there. So if you click down below, it's my link directly to the manufacturer. You can play the video and watch it if you haven't already watched it, but if you wanna avoid all that, 1 hour and a half of your time is valuable, click on my link there, and then you can just go to the cart and place an order, okay? But yeah, this is I don't know how long this special and this bonus price is going to be on for, so it may raise up because of the popularity, right? And with all the stuff going on in the world right now, who knows if manufacturing is going to cost more or shipping is going to cost more, because they have to be more and more careful with shipments, right? So take action if you're looking for a health weight loss supplement product that gets really, really good reviews and has a low refund rate and could possibly work for you, right? This is gonna work specifically anyone 30 plus, even more powerful anyone 40 plus, or even 50 to 60 plus, because you know the higher you get in age, the more your body kind of fights you for natural weight loss and deep sleep and things like that. So this is going to help you naturally. All the ingredients in it is natural, will help you naturally boost your metabolism, boost your deep sleep patterns again, right? But you be the judge, you test it out. Comment below if you have any questions, but I have the my link there, and it goes right to the checkout cart. Just add to cart and purchase, so you don't have to wait around. I know your time's valuable, right? So you guys have a blessed day. This is David, and I appreciate you guys, and have a beautiful day, and hope you achieve your weight loss goals and your health goals that you're looking for. One other thing I wanted to add is that based on what I'm seeing and what I'm reading, it's also helping people with their libido and their relationships as well. So that's been a struggle for you as well. All the natural boost of libido doesn't hurt anybody. Let's be honest here. And you get your drive increased, which is healthy for everyone, right? At any age. So have a beautiful day. Links below if you want to get in, and I'll see you guys in the next video.